the appointment is setting the appointment for people to come and see you. Yes? And with the technology, everything starts on the phone. Everything now starts with the phone, right? So we're gonna in your business, you're gonna know when you're gonna be able to make the calls. Maybe it's for 30 minutes, maybe it's for 1 hour, maybe you want to get those extra 2 homes, 3 homes for the week so that you can make an extra $100 or $150 for the week, making your check bigger. Yes? Okay, perfect. So, but the process is gonna be on the phone. What do we need? We are gonna need phone scripts. We're gonna need to know what to say. I've been teaching you how to talk, how to handle some objections, how getting over most common objections. Yes? Okay, perfect. Phone script. Phone script, very simple. Since we're going to be calling for, what is it, home and auto, we're going to give you the lead to call the customer. And let's say home and auto insurance script. Now you're going to know how to make that call. And I'm going to say, I'm going to use this script, okay? And I'm going to use this lead. This is a lead. A lead is a customer that we are going to be working with, right? All right. Let's do this real quick. Okay, perfect. Oops, right there. Okay, so we're going to start something like this. This is the lead that we might, this is a good prospect that we might have. This is a letter that we send to customers when they close and buy a house. And it tells us right here, very important information. It tells us the loan amount. It tells us who the lender is. It tells us, yes, the what county. It tells us address. Perfect. And it tells us, hey, dear Iris, full name, Iris Blair, in this case. Dear Iris, we want to help you cover your mortgage in the event of death, disability, critical illness, and if you don't, nothing happens ever to you, we want to give you your money back. We're not really talking about home insurance. We're talking right now about life insurance. But we use these letters because we know that they close the mortgage, right? So we know that they have home insurance. So when they receive this letter, the customer sends it back. They give us their date of birth. They give us, hey, call me. It doesn't matter. When is the best time to call? Today, right now. Right now is the time. Whatever time of the day, the time is now. Even though it says 6 to 9 or whatever, the best time to call is now. Let's take some action today, pronto. And then she gives us home phone, work phone, extension, and cell phone. You think this customer is interested in getting some type of coverage? They're pretty interested because they mailed that letter back to us. Okay? So now you know that we're going to be working with this type of leads. This is a lead, okay? Now we're going to look at this. The script says something like this. The customer name was Iris. So we're going to make that call. Ring. They're going to pick up. I'm going to say, Iris. Is this Iris? Yes. Hi, Iris. This is Mo. This is Modesto Flores. I'm representing Foremost, a group of farmers insurance companies, right? We're correct because that's going to be our main carrier. And a while back, we contacted you from a letter that you sent back to us about getting a free home or auto insurance quote. Remember that? If no, Iris, that was back when you originally bought your house at 1200 Defford Lane in Allen, Texas, 75002 for $160 with Starkey Mortgage. Remember now? What did I just do? In 30 seconds, I let her know that I knew information that nobody else is supposed to have. Right? So, básicamente, Piolín dice, identifícate. I just did that in a big way. Are you Iris? Is your date of birth 1/28/1951? Wow. So how do we know that? Well, because I got a letter signed by you. Right? Okay. I just identify myself. Okay. Well, let me remind you. I just went through that, right? We got your information, ta 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 ta, and the reason we're calling you is because we want to have the opportunity for you to give us the opportunity to give you a free quote on your home insurance, and we will we will offer you the best rates and waive the $75 enrollment fee. Okay? Can we go ahead and do that? If we can save you some money, would that help you out financially? If yes, then we would move to quoting, right? This is working with the opportunity form. Now we got home insurance. Now we start filling this out. Now we got this letter. Behind this letter comes the lead that we're working with. And behind that letter, what is we start building the quote. We start building a quote with the company. If they do remember that they sent that out, again going back from the top, Iris, hi, this is Modesto Flores representing Foremost, and I'm gonna slow down. And if you listen to the way I'm talking, it's because the customer, you're gonna have to repeat twice. Yes, because usually over the phone the customer says, "What? Who's this? Why are you calling me?" Yes, okay. So Iris, hi, this is Modesto Flores representing Foremost, a group of farmers insurance companies. A while back, and I'm giving them time to settle the information in their brain. Okay, that's all I'm doing. Once I get through that, if the answer is yes, I remember that, I already been taken care of, that's great. That's great that you're taken care of. We know that you have taken care of it. The reason for our call this time is because we don't show on the records that we offer you the free quote on your auto or home insurance. We got your life coverage, mortgage protection, but we're not showing a free quote out to you for home and auto insurance. Would you give us the opportunity? Basically. That's it. That's it. We're verifying date of birth. We're verifying the county, the address. Do they have fire only, HOA, HOB? What deductible do they have? See? Very simple script. If we can save you 30%, we're talking about the cell phone or the gas analogy. If you could buy that gallon of gas instead of $3 a gallon, if you could buy it for 50 cents less, would you do it? Would that help you out financially? Key question. If I can save you 30%, would that help you out financially? If they say no, what did they just become? Stupid. If they say yes, right? If they say no, they are stupid. If they say yes, they're gonna move forward. Would that help you out financially? That's one of those questions that you put them to the wall, and there's nothing else. I mean, you tell me how you get out of that one. You can't. That's nailing the people to the wall. Batch alone, I'm gonna send you. We have 374 leads. Okay, based on the type of work that we do, we got 374 letters in this batch alone, and we use a specific. We use this estimator because it tells us whether the customer has been in the house from 3 to 9 months, from 10 to 18 months, or from 19 to 50 months. Yes? So, like that particular case, it's going to be 19 to 50. And we said we have 374, right? This software really estimates that you're going to reach about 10 people. And if you're good, you're going to end up selling three policies right up front, because you're going to catch them at the right time. You're going to catch them right where it needs to be. But we also know that you're going to close a total of 10 homes. 10 homes, which is worth about $250 to you. Okay? But we know that these other 8 or 9 homes, it's going to be in the process of the next months, because their home insurance might not be canceling right now. They're building the relationship. So this number on this type of lead, you're going to get anywhere from 9 to 15 homes, brand new homes. Okay, so what needs to happen? Once we start setting up for making the call, once we start making the calls, we need to check our positive mental attitude. We need to be ready to make those calls. We got to know that 10 calls is not going to work. We need to know that making 100 calls, it's going to work. And maybe you can make 100 calls. We usually, by average, we make 100 calls in this type of setting in about 3 days. In about 3 days. So in about 30 days, you could have a pipeline of 15 homes. 15 homes that are going to be closing at some point in the future. And then next month, we do it again. We're working as a team. Now next month, you got another 15 homes. Next month, you got another 15 homes. All of a sudden, you're going to get to a month, 6, 7, or 8 months from now, and you're going to go 30 homes. Now we're dividing $800 into incommissionable premium. And then next week, you got 15 homes. Next year, you got 15 renewals, because you're going to see a lot of renewals right now. Yes? So whenever you're dialing, whether one of you is going to make some of those phone calls, make sure you tell the other one, listen, I'm going to take 30 minutes. I'm going to start making some calls. Some of those calls are going to be ring, leave a voice message, give us a call back. We want to give you a free insurance quote, save you some money on your home insurance. Smile and dial. Always try to smile while you dial the phone. Always speak clearly and quickly whenever you're trying to get through that process. Yes? Create value for your client and know how to work with the common objections. Not a good time. I'm too busy. Well, if that's going to come out, I'm at work. Okay, it's 6 o'clock tonight to call you. Then you move your file to the PM, or for tomorrow morning, or for 2 days, or 3 days. I'm on vacation. Call me back. I'm not home right now to talk. Okay, that'll be when will you be home? Can you call me back? I'm about to go out of town. Don't know my schedule. How much does it cost? Well, let me get if you could email us, fax us, tell us what your do you have an HOA, HOB, or just a dwelling policy? Those 3 policies. What do you have? Do you have a 1% deductible or 2% deductible? So all of these objections are gonna come up. Make sure that you're ready for them as you're making the calls. Yes? Okay. So now, do you have any questions as to the lead? Like on this case, again, we're gonna learn to read the lead. We got, what did we say? The loan. What did we have over here? The lender, the address. Yeah. And then write down date of birth, phones. When is the best time to call? Now, whatever time. Never pay attention to that. Okay? Some of them come in this format because they went to one of our websites and requested the information. So we got Lucy Flores Odría, yes? And Dallas County, Collin County, Banco of America, 147,000, ¿verdad? Remember, once we went back to the actual Outlook, the email, how about sending them an email if they don't pick up the phone? Send them an superlobito@gmail.com. Okay, great. Send them an email. Hey, we're trying to reach you. We're with Foremost. Same thing on the script. Give us a call back. Call me back. How about sending an email today, one in 5 days, and another one in 10 days, and then in 15 days, and then give up. Yes? And then the technology then is doing the work for you. Okay, good. So you're going to find a lot of this type of leads, see? Good age. You know that they got good credit because they're working with Chase. You know that they got good credit because they're working on a $200,000 mortgage. You know that we can process the home insurance. How can we process home insurance over here? We can use the internet, email, fax, mail. And worst case scenario, if the customer says, hey, Sasuke, I want somebody to come and see me. Or where are you located? Well, we're in South Dallas. We're at 535 West Jefferson. But, we can handle everything right over the phone. Here's our website. Our website is ensuritygroup.com, right? Ensuritygroup.com. A lot of customers, they're going to tell you, hey, go to ensuritygroup.com, Google us, Facebook us, tweet us. We're all over the place. And here it is. We can come and you can even go over here to our website. This is our navigation bar on our website, and we're gonna get our homeowners insurance right here. Homeowners insurance right here. The people can send you that. We'll get it. Bada boom. You know, easy.